Hey everyone, I'm James, and I'm the solution architect of Yealink Process Engineering team. Today, we're going to show you how to unbox the meeting board. Yealink's meeting board series offer all-in-one collaboration hybrid meeting experience that enhance modern teamwork with various conferencing tools and interactive whiteboard capabilities, fostering productive meetings and creative brainstorming sessions. So let's have a look. First up, the main board unit, and here is the floor stand as optional accessories. And next, I'm gonna invite my colleague Alan to join me to unbox the meeting board. Hello, Alan.
Hi, James. Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you guys. All right, let's unbox these devices to what we have.
Yeah. Yeah, as you can see here, the main board unit, the heart of the meeting board setup, is where all the magic happens. And don't forget this, the white box, which contains the power supply cable and the stylus, which is essential for the collaboration.
Also, don't forget we can provide the wall mounts in the package. Meanwhile, in this box, we can provide the floor stands for you to set up. For today's setup, we can provide the meeting board and floor stand to work together. All right, let's see how long we can finish the setup. James, let's go ahead.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, everything's done. With its user-friendly design and plug-and-play setup, the Yealink meeting board can transform your meeting space in just 12 minutes, offering hassle-free assembly and unmatched convenience. Alright, we come back, and we have already made some good progress, and we've completed unboxing the meeting board here. And next, we're going to move on to our first check. Once we check the camera, audio, and file sharing capabilities, we are ready for any meeting that comes our way.
Now let's test the camera functionalities. So we have all aware of the importance of being heard and being seen clearly in the meeting. So now let's focus on the camera. So on the top of the meeting board, you will get a QR code, and you can scan the QR code to get the checklist of the meeting board. And also on the top of the meeting board, you can see this is the 4K built-in camera with the 8x zooming capabilities. And also it has the privacy shutter to protect your meeting privacy. And also meeting board can bring you a very intelligent AI feature, the auto framing, speaker tracking, and also the picture-in-picture mode. So next I will invite my colleague James together with me to showcase how the AI feature works on the meeting board. Okay, so you can click this sidebar to select your required AI feature. So first I will select the auto framing AI feature here. So as you can see, when I enable the auto framing AI feature, the camera will detect everybody in the middle of the screen. It can reduce the waste of the background and frame everybody in the middle of the screen. So as more people join the room, it gets harder for remote attendees to see everybody clearly. So that's when you need the multi-focus framing. So when I enable the multi-focus framing, as you can see here, so the camera will have a close-up view of every participant. And under this mode, it can support up to 6 people under this division mode. So everybody can be divided equally and send in one stream. Okay, so sometimes the remote attendees maybe want to see some few main speakers. So that's when you need the speaker tracking mode. I will enable the speaker tracking mode on the meeting board here. So as you can see, when I start to talk, the camera will automatically detect me as the current speaker. So if this time I invite my colleague James to join my conversation like this.
Yeah, if at this time I start talking, the cameras will automatically focus on me seamlessly and precisely.
Okay, so that's how the speaker tracking mode works. So sometimes if you want a whole room view as well, you can enable the picture-in-picture mode. Okay, so when I enable the picture-in-picture mode, you will not only get a close-up of the current speakers, and also you will get the whole room view on the top of the screen, as you can see here.
Yeah, at this time, if I start to talk, the camera will focus on me and display me as the large one.
Okay, and also we have another Smart Gallery mode which can be used under the zoom mode. And the camera will be separated into 3 feeds and sending one stream. So these AI features can bring you an intelligent meeting experience, and also this is a vital element to achieving the meeting equity.
Now, as for being heard clearly, let's move on to the audio test. Here we have a quick look on the sound quality here. Our meeting board features 16 micro-electro-mechanical system beamforming microphone arrays and 4+2 stereo microphones, supporting 12 meters or 40 feet full-duplex audio. It ensures clear sound in large spaces and during simultaneously conversations. Now, let's test its audio playback capabilities. We're playing a piece of music to demonstrate the meeting board's performance. Alright, you'll notice the clear playback, no echo, and with Yealink advanced AI noise cancellation, we ensure a seamless and impressive audio experience, allowing everyone to hear and be heard with exceptional clarity. Here, we're just showcasing the meeting board's outstanding audio capabilities. But stay tuned, as during the actual conferencing test later on, we'll provide more concrete demonstration for everyone. Next, let's join the meeting on the meeting board. So we'll demonstrate a real-life scenario, providing we have a meeting with the teammates and we are about to discuss some product features of the meeting board with Alan, who is hybrid working now. So the first step is to tap on the button here so that I can join the meeting. Hey, Alan, can you hear me?
Hey James, I can hear you. The voice is very clear. And how does my voice sound like?
Yeah, great. I can hear you and see you all clearly. Yeah, so Alan, could you please introduce to us some product highlights of the meeting board, which makes it outstanding in the industry?
Yeah, for sure. I think the first thing I want to share about the meeting board is about the noise cancel technology. So the first thing is, if I try to make some noise during my speaking or make some noise like that, I think you can only hear my voice, right?
Yeah, impressive. I can hear nothing but your own voice.
Yeah, this is the current latest technology because it's an AI-based technology. It's not like a traditional noise cancel. For the traditional noise cancel, sometimes it will also cancel the human voice.
Right now, the screen is clear and our conversation is smooth without any lag.
Yeah, this is why more and more customers choose this product. Especially right now, the hybrid meeting is a mainstream for future meeting room design. I think no matter where you are, the meeting room can still provide an immersive meeting experience for customers.
Yeah, you're right. I totally agree with you.
So now let's dive into the whiteboard function of the meeting board. So you can scan the QR code in the top right corner to access any additional resources and support. Now let me collaborate with my colleagues Alan on the other side. So you can click this button to enable the Microsoft Whiteboard. And you just need to wait for a few seconds to enable this function. And here you can use this stylus to write your thoughts on the whiteboard, just like this. And also I can invite my colleagues Alan to join this session as well on the other side.
Yeah, I'm writing. Can you see it?
Yes, we can see it from our side. So now I would like to introduce the highlights of the whiteboard function. So first, it can easily bring you from a whiteboard session to a hybrid session. And also it allows you and your colleagues to join the brainstorming and collaboration journey. And also you can see writing on the whiteboard is just like drawing or writing on your paper with your pen. And you can use the stylus tip to write and use the tile to erase anything you want on the whiteboard. And also it allows two people to write together in the whiteboard. So now we have already talked about the abilities to write, erase, and to avoid accidental touches, and even allow two people to write together. And the writing experience is really fluent and seamless for both ends. We have a full device ecosystem that makes MeetingBoard the ideal solution for all scenarios. Let's introduce the 12x camera, OPS model, CTP18, and VCM36 together. So we have our 12x optical PTZ camera that delivers the premium video quality, ensuring clear visibility for all participants. It extends coverage for larger meeting spaces with over 15 seats. And if you need to upgrade to a Windows operating system, simply plug in the Windows OPS model for seamless integration.
The CTP18 lets you control meetings, like easy muting or joining, without having to walk up to the meeting board. And the VCM36 ensures clear audio pickup even from distant voices, enhancing remote participants' clarity. Ready to elevate your demonstration experience? For resellers, we'd like to introduce the Yealink Demo Kit. Designed to effortlessly showcase your meeting board. So let's unbox it. With its professional design and seamless setup, the Yealink Demo Kit ensures a standard presentation of the meeting board. Okay, let's wrap up our unboxing video with this segment. If you are interested in learning more, please feel free to explore a wide range of products and solutions. Discover our trading policy and book your meeting board at a huge discount today. Our try and buy policy allows you to experience our products for free initially. You can try our solutions without any risk. Click on the link to learn more. For our reseller partners interested in enhancing your meetings with ease, book your Yealink Demo Kit today for amazing showcase with your meeting board.